Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send dogs from Telegram wallet to Binance. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Telegram app and then access your Telegram wallet inside it. Now, scroll down a bit and make sure you have dogs coin available. Here, tap on dogs, tap on send, and then tap on external wallet. Next, we need to get our dog's address from Binance. So, open Binance, tap on wallets, tap on spot, tap on deposit, and then search for dogs. Select the dog's coin from the list, and then tap on turn coin for the network. Now, both the memo and the address are required to successfully deposit your funds to Binance. Now, copy the dog's address, and then go back to our Telegram wallet. Here, tap on paste to insert the dog's address, and then tap on continue to proceed. Now, enter the number of dogs you would like to send, and then tap on continue to proceed. Here, enter the required tag from the exchange to avoid losing funds. Simply go back to Binance, copy the dog's memo, and then go back to Telegram to paste the memo. Keep in mind that the fee is 1,600 dogs per transaction. After that, tap confirm and send. You will then be prompted to enter the passcode and the dogs will be sent. So that's basically how you can send dogs from Telegram wallet to Binance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.